Hi there. Before you can create your first campaign, you will need to create a template or import a HTML template. So let's make it easy and first show you how to create or select to create a template from the default templates in the email marketing system. Alright, first click on Send Bulk Mail. It will take you to this screen. So simply click on Create New Bulk Mail. Alright, this is the very first step in creating a bulk mail. So because you haven't created a template, or if you want to create a new template, you can click on this link here, Create New Template. Alright, it takes you to the template creator, whereby you can select one from the preloaded templates. Alright, first of all, select your design category. It can either be simple or Christmas. So let's do the simple one. The design, the type of design, there's a few preloaded ones. Let's just work with the basic template. Now I will enter the name of the template, test 2. Alright, then I'm able to change the color scheme of the template. So there's about 4 that you can choose from. Let's just use the first one. You can also adjust the background color, border color, text background color, text color, and the disclaimer colors. For now, I'm just going to leave the default ones, but if you want to change it, you just click on it and you select from the color palette. Alright, also you can change the font. Let's select Arial. Done. Now you can also put in a header title. So let's call it newsletter, telephone number, and the address. So in order to view, click preview. It will generate in the editor here, so you can see how the template will look. If you need to make changes, you can adjust it and reload it by clicking on preview. Alright, so if you're happy with this, you just click on Save Template, and it will take you back to the very first step. So now, in order to select the template, click on the drop down templates menu here and select the template that you've just created. In this case, it's called Test 2. So once you click on it, it's selected. Thanks for watching. Cheers.